Meaning of handwritten.
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 Handwritten. Handwritten refers to something that has been written by hand, rather than being printed or typed. Handwritten documents can include letters, notes, manuscripts, and even artwork created using pen or pencil. Due to the personal touch that comes with handwriting, handwritten documents can be highly valued for their authenticity and uniqueness. While technology has made it easier to create digital documents, many people still appreciate the art of handwriting and continue to practice it in both personal and professional settings. Overall, handwritten refers to a form of communication that is individualistic and personal.